So basically here, the Golf R, every time I hit the third gear, the fifth gear, I find that there's this sloppiness to the shift. It's not smooth. It almost looks like it's either shifting too early or shifting too late. It usually happens on the third and on the fifth, which is really strange. Anyways, I just wanted to explain that one more time. Welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. Well, I have an update for you guys. I know that some of you have been following my tuning on the Golf R, and that currently we are on stage 1 with EQT, and at the same time we have a DSG tune on the Golf R. So basically here, guys, fast forward a month, I've been pretty much testing the car out and see how well the car is, basically in terms of the tune that I have so far. Well, I'm having some issues with the DSG shifting here. Basically transmission is a little bit jerky in this case, especially on the third gear and the fifth gear. And also when it does downshift when you are stepping on the gas, and if you want to go fast, that is. And if you guys haven't seen that video yet, please check that out on the channel. I do have a dedicated playlist for the Golf R tuning itself on my EQT tuning adventures. And at the same time, guys, you know, check out the videos when we did the dyno and the preparations as well. I did prior to the dyno. There's several videos there that pretty much are fairly helpful if you are new to the flash tuning, and as well prior to me having the JB4 on the car, and I did some review on that as well, comparing the JB4 and the EQT flash tune OTS off-the-shelf tune. So anyways, guys, check those videos out because they're pretty helpful for anybody out there that's starting out on thinking on getting their car tuned, and you know, even from the comparison between the two based on the dyno, and also my review on the difference between the type of tuning, the stage 1 tune from a flash tune versus a piggyback tune. So anyways, guys, back to the issue here again. Basically, it's fairly jerky. The car has been pretty much not consistent, and especially when the car is cold. Probably the first 15 minutes on the drive, the transmission is so jerky. I could feel a nudge every time it shifts on those points, either the third gear and the fifth gear. Well, I've been doing lots of research on this and also reaching out to others that had this issue, but I haven't really gotten any resolution yet. I've been also talking to EQT support in terms of the situation I'm in, and they're currently looking into it. Hopefully we can get some resolution coming up here. Right now I have actually downgraded my DSG tune to the Cobb Access Sports default Sports DSG tune, and surprisingly it's a lot smoother and crispier than the one that EQT have provided me. So Cliff and I have been chatting online about the issue. He seemed to think that there is a mismatch or, you know, a configuration issue on the file that they provided me based on my DSG box number, which is the 12A, ending 12A. As well, I've been seeing some posts online where some people are having exact same problem that I'm having, where their box codes are either 12A or 14B. Those are the box code for the actual TCU itself, and most of them are pretty much the 2018 2019 Golf R, and which is the Mark 7.5 Golf R technically. So anyways, guys, I have been driving with the Cobb's DSG tune, and I've been liking it so far. It's so crisp. That's the only difference, is that it's a lot crispier than the one I got from EQT. I'm sure that if they have actually given me the proper file, it would be a lot crispier. The only thing that I noticed with the Cobb one is basically, I find that the Cobb one, it wasn't as aggressive shifting wise than the EQT, I would say. I feel like the car is a lot slower, I would say. I don't know if there's probably the shifting makes a big difference anyways in this case. But other than that, it's fairly smooth, and I don't mind it at all. It's pretty easy to reflash the DSG tune from Cobb. As long as you are working on the AP, it's easier to just flip-flap from different OTS, that is, and that it's a lot faster to flash between different tunes. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much the current situation I'm in, and hopefully in the next day or two I can get a new file from EQT and give that a try. I also emailed few other contacts out there and see what sort of resolution they have done on their issues, similar issues that the Golf R have. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. I'll be keeping you update from here on, and hopefully that you guys don't run into this issue as well. And if you do, at least you learn from my experience, and that hopefully you can find this helpful. So stay tuned.